Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 1. Answer the following. Take Sarita's present age to be 5 years. What will be her age 5 years from now? What will be her age 5 years from now? Suppose we have taken the Sarita's age to be y. Sarita's age. We have taken Sarita's age Sarita's age Sarita's age is equal to y years. Y years. Y years. Right. Now, what will be her age 5 years from now? Therefore, 5 years from now, that means it will be y plus 5 years. Why? Because Sarita's present age is y years. Right. Therefore, after 5 years, or what will be her age after 5 years, that is y plus 5 years. Right. Now, question number B. What was her age 3 years back? The present age is y. Therefore, 3 years back means her age will be y minus 3 years. Y minus 3 years. Right? Now, question number 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Right? What is the age? 6 times her age. Her present age is y years. Therefore, her grandfather's age will be 6y years. 6 times her age, that means 6y years. Right? Now, question number 4. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandfather age is 6y years and grandmother is 2 years younger. That means 6y. That means her age will be, what is grandmother's age? Grandmother's age will be 6y minus 2 years. Right? Now question number 5. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's age is y years. 3 times Sarita's age means 3 times 3y and plus 5. 3y plus 5 years. 3y plus 5 years. Yes, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's present is y. Therefore, 3 times means 3y and 5 years more than 3y plus 5 years. This is the solution of question number 1.